Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when x power x minus 2 power 3x plus 192 is equals to 0 and where x is greater than 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video. Before starting the solution, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So x power x, if I'll take this to other side, so 2 power 3x plus 192. Now, x power x is equals to 2 power, from the power if I take 3 common, then x plus 64 is left. From the exponent rule, that is x power m is equals to x power mn. So if I'm going to apply this rule, then x power x is equals to 2 whole power is 3 power is x plus 64. I can write it as, so x power x is equals to 2 power 3 is 8 and this power is x plus 64. X power x is equals to, if there is an addition sign in between the power, that means there is a multiplication, and if there is a subtraction sign, that means there is in division. So there is addition sign, so we can write it as 8 power x times 8 power 64. So if I divide the equation with 8 power x, then x power x over 8 power x is equals to 8 power x dot times 8 power 64 divided by 8 power x. Then we eliminate this. So what is left? X power x over 8 power x is equals to 8 power 64. So for this 8, I can say it as, if I divide 64 by 8, that is equals to 8. So for this 8, I can replace it by 64 by 8. This gives me the same thing. So x power x over 8 power x is equals to 64 by 8 power 64. So by comparison, if I compare the denominator are same. And if I compare the value of x in numerator or even the power, the value of x is 64. So from this equation, the value of x will be 64. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.